My first topic is all about 2012 International Symposium on Safety, Science and Technology, Development of the Health, Safety, and Environment Excellence Instrument, a HSEMS performance measurement tool. We humans is always and will always be the answer to our problems. We can provide ourselves with a new innovative way of things in this world. And yes, safety is always the first concern when it comes to health and welfare. I do agree the satisfaction of the customer is the most in on top of concerns. As the Muhammad Pham et al. Procedure Engineering, in my own way of understanding, the efficient way will always be the first to be considered. The perspective they done here is to evaluate the criteria. It may not give you 100 percentage, nor to be that accurate, but just to be what you need to. In the tool structure, asking and consulting the experts to evaluate the process, the models, on how it would be done. As the experts, they know how things work. Finalizing the tools is a must. This is where they would discover the results and modifications needed. As a result, as expected, it has that more functions with a better managerial tool. The trends and types of management system is based on the modern management. There are another factor that makes the evaluation necessary. The HSE required to evaluate criteria such as number of accidents, severity of accidents, safety and training. Those are one of the most common method in decision making. By the use of tools, the employee will have the level of acceptable safety with increasing capabilities of a safety management skill. As a matter of fact, it can also be implemented in a wide range of systems in organization, which would be that useful that it is. In a short word, it provides a systematic viewpoint and specification of an excellence constructing organization. But as it is, every organization can be that successful without any requirements and milestones to acquire. Providing the effective orientation and training for all the personnel and evaluators is one of those. As a conclusion, since then from the start, it was revealed and proved that the methods used was effectively useful and helps to collect necessary information to understand. My second topic is all about multipurpose and multi-source energy management system for biomedical implants. Wonder how people upgrade of everything? Now, something was proposed by means of multipurpose energy that can harvest energy from multipurpose power sources. For the generators, in order to suffice the required power, it needs the present implantable system. 3 micropower energy harvesting generators were developed and implemented. By means of activation system, more electrical energy becomes available, which widens a range of functions that smart implant can implement it. With a protocol called LRWPAN, such as Bluetooth, it brought a possible solution to connect biomedical devices to create a wireless sensor network, or what we call W-band, in which it opens wider range and implementation that can't be used before. It also describes the use of converting multiple energy sources to suffice a smart chip. The idea of power conditioning system was developed so it can manage the energy provided by some already installed micropower generators. Each generator has its own power conditioning submodule in order to optimize the efficiency of each energy harvested. In the power management, it can retrieve energy from a power source. Electromagnetic generators can make use of the available kinetic energy with the patient in motion. It's said that the biggest generator is based in a translation movement in place in the body of prosthesis. It converts more than double of energy than the previous one. All in all, it shows the great things that the multipurpose and multi-source energy management system for biomedical implants can do. The topic is all about the application of the campus experimental project management system based on internet technology. At present, more and more colleges choose information technology to support their own business in order to adapt to their rapid development and to develop their efficiency of management. Intranet is a new enterprise network which combines the traditional enterprise net with internet together. It is an inner special network adopting internet technology based on TCP/IP protocol web technology, which constructed a unified and convenient platform to exchange information. Internet is used traditionally in theory of net structure onto topology structure. One of the most important tasks in the experimental management in teaching office is the management of experimental teaching courses, in which all the experiments issued from the laboratories in every department should be numbered with experimental project cards. After the cards filled out, they will be sent for the teaching office, where the data in the cards will be put into the computer and processed to form a unified format, which will be reported to the Education Commission. Finally, the manual model of experimental program cards management, with reports level by level, will bring more inconsistency with the requirements. The design of the experiments program management system should have such following characteristics. Number 1, accuracy. Number 2, promptness. Number 3, interactivity. The campus experimental projects management system based on internet technology can be divided into few major function modules, which is the structure of the system and function, which is as number 1, remote login. Number 2, management of the system's users. Number 3, data input. Number 4, check of the data. And number 5, data maintenance. Campus network has been established with all the departments or laboratories have been linked. LAN has been established basically in every subsidiary computer room because of the geographical dispersion of the laboratories. The conclusion is with the increasing popularity of computers, as well as more widely spread of various information, internet technology as a powerful tool to support the enterprise informatization and development of the management system has a good graphical interface of users because of its simple operation and good maintenance and expansion. The internet technology has a vast potential for future development. The solution of experiment management system based on internet technology adapted the structure of browser server to analyze the design system.